What's up, locals? We are at Peachfest. I'm excited to share all the dishes that all the food trucks have made today. They're really good, so let's just get into it.
When you're out at Blood Orchard, it's always a good idea to check out the antique shop to see what everyone's selling, especially at a festival, because there's always a bunch of booths that you can check out, and it's always a good time. As always, the line to buy peaches was out the door into the gravel, but we got distracted by this one little welcome to the peach pit. I had to get a peach Pepsi.
The food truck contenders this year were Urban Skillet, Big Granny's, the Sled Cafe, Cheezepanzee, Tickled Pink, Mariscos Tachin, Sally Sue's, Shawarma UR, No Ragrets Vegan Scratch Kitchen, and Watts Cooking and Catering. We kicked it off with the Sled Cafe. Got a peach grilled cheese here going in. So they got peach cobbler, sweet and spicy hot sauce. So.
Dad, what's this? Dad, I'm gonna eat it.
Okay, eat it. Dip it in there. Oh, it's a sweet. Oh, sorry. Stealing it.
It's a peach cobbler, so you don't have to open up.
It's really good. It's got a kick to it. That's really good. That's solid.
Dad, I love this.
Good. Delano Bakery made this bread special, a special loaf for them today. That's really good. All right, we got No Regrets next. Vegan. This is peach cobbler.
You're the total opposite of your brother. Hey.
Here we go. Peach taco. Looks like chorizo, but it's vegan.
Wait, can you eat half?
Thank you.
That tastes just like chorizo, but it's vegan.
Lay it on us. All right.
I'm gonna try this jalapeno. Has anybody tried it yet?
Yes, I did.
The peach is scorching hot.
Oh, that's good.
Club sandwich with what?
Sweet and spicy right there.
Oh, it's giant.
All right, next we got fried peaches. This looks delicious and sweet.
Yeah, one cooking and catering.
Oh yeah, that's good. Did you dip it in here? You should. Sally Sue's made this, huh? All right, here we go.
I use my spoon.
I'm probably a little late, but
I want to use this spoon.
he's good with the
That's good.
I want the rest back.
You know, I got a picture of one. You want to save it? You didn't save any.
oh,
Had to bring in the big guns
this thing's good too.
because I can't eat like Fert The Foodie.
No. And
I can, but
much.
correct. I can't eat as much as Fert The Foodie. I really love this. Of course, you know I'm gonna vote for the jalapeno. That's delicious.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he let me try that peach sauce beforehand. It's fire.
Oh yeah?
Huh?
Oh man,
That's a juicy.
that's juicy. How you like that Big Granny's rib right there with that peach sauce? Is it good?
5.
He's speechless. Is this a bagel? What kind of a bun is this? Oh, it's got some pesto on the bottom. Looks like pesto.
Peachless, Dad. Peachless. Not peachless.
It's a basil chimichurri.
A basil chimichurri on the bottom. I taste the basil. That's really good. Shawarma brought a parfait, peach parfait. Oh, that's
What category?
good. Tickled Pink got a Princess Peach Pink Starburst Lemonade made with Blood Orchard peaches
That's good.
and strawberry bubbles. Let's try it. Princess Peach. Whoa. It does have the
Boba.
boba at the bottom. Not expecting that.
You don't like boba?
Yeah.
I don't mind it, but I wasn't expecting it. What do you think? It's good?
bubbles in it.
Every
I didn't get any.
Big grains.
All right,
but
going with these tacos.
it was the sauce that really.
Tacos are pretty good.
I mean, I like all the stuff that's on it, but as far as like the meat itself,
Meat's a little dry. All right, so we got the trophies. They got some unique trophies this year. I really love them. These little little stuffies, like my kids call them. We got best peach dish, and we got best use of peaches in a dish. So we're gonna make a decision here in just a few minutes and reveal the winners. All the food trucks this year put on a stellar performance, and it was really hard to pick who was top dog, but in the end, it was Cafe who took home the best peach dish with their smashed peach, bacon, and poblano grilled cheese. This thing was fantastic, and dripping that sauce on it, oh, it was just delicious. And of course, I was happy to say that the best use of peach went to Urban Skillet with a peach stuffed bacon wrapped jalapeno. This was my favorite of the day, so congratulations to the winners. Hope you all come back next year. That was Peachfest 2024. Make sure you mark your calendars for next early August. You don't want to miss Peachfest. There's always a line out the door of the antique place to get these freshly picked peaches off the blood orchard trees out here. You don't want to miss it. You can buy a little basket of peaches on your way out, so don't miss out next year, Peachfest 2025. We'll see you there.